Hello succulent enthusiasts, today we're exploring the charming world of KALANCHOE villosa, a unique and fuzzy succulent that adds a touch of whimsy to your plant collection. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of succulents. KALANCHOE villosa, commonly known as the felt bush, is a succulent plant native to Madagascar and parts of southern Africa. An interesting fact about this resilient plant is its adaptation to arid environments, showcasing thick, felt-like leaves that help it retain water in dry conditions. The unique texture of its leaves contributes to its distinct appearance and resilience in various climates. In traditional medicine, certain species of KALANCHOE, including KALANCHOE villosa, have been used for medicinal purposes. Some communities have employed extracts from the plant for potential anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. However, it's crucial to approach the medicinal uses of KALANCHOE with caution, as some species contain compounds that may be toxic if ingested in large quantities. As with any medicinal plant, consultation with healthcare professionals is advisable. In gardening, KALANCHOE villosa can serve as an interesting companion plant, contributing to biodiversity and potentially deterring pests due to its natural compounds. While specific nutrient values may vary, succulents like KALANCHOE villosa are prized for the ability to thrive in minimum water, making them resilient additions to arid and semi-arid landscapes. This succulent thrives in well-drained soil with bright, indirect light. It is relatively low maintenance, requiring infrequent watering and well-ventilated conditions. Maintaining a consistent temperature and protecting it from extreme sunlight are crucial for its well-being. KALANCHOE villosa adapts well to both indoor and outdoor settings, bringing a touch of whimsy to your succulent collection. Thank you for joining us on this succulent journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Farewell and happy gardening.